Happy Mother's Day. It is Sunday, May 9th. Thanks for stopping by the garden for a second. I'm not going to put any tomatoes or peppers out yet. It was still 48 degrees last night. It's got to warm up just a little bit more. They're cozy in the greenhouse, and if I put them out, they'd just be sitting there. I should have waited till today to put all the gravel out with this cooler weather. So I went ahead and finished up the electric fence. You're here just in time to see how it works. Got the hot wire back up. Now it's a little different than last year. Last year we circled the entire garden so it was a straight loop. This year with the greenhouse where it's at, it stops both directions. But we did a loop. Bottom wire's hot, comes up, top wire's hot. Same thing on the other side, we looped it together. Go in the other direction, same thing. Now our bridge wire goes from loop to loop. Our ground wire is not a loop. It's just a straight terminus down at the other end of both sides. But we've got the ground post driven in, and we've got that connected straight to the ground wire. So in theory, anytime anything touches the hot in the ground or the hot in the ground, it creates a circuit, creates a shock. Well, let me go ahead and turn this on, see if this thing's working. I know that's what you came for. I don't think it's going to be near as much as it was last time. I'm not even sure that charger made it through the polar vortex. Well, come on, let's see what we get. I don't think... Man, I don't know. I don't know. Could be the same as last year. I just don't know. Whew! Oh, it's working. It's working. It's working. Whew! It's working. Now if that don't stop the armadillo, I don't know what will. Thanks for coming by the garden. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.